Hey Cancer, welcome to your April forecast for love, sex, and emotions. This is your you versus them love reading. All right. So it's a general reading. Roles can be reversed. Could be baggage you're carrying with you. Could be someone coming in that's new. Could be someone you're already dealing with. All right. Take it as it resonates. I am intuitive, so some of what I see in the tarot will not be traditional. Again, take that as well as it resonates. At the end, I will go into an extended, the link is down below, to look into the week of the 28th through the 6th. And I think that's all. Everything's down below, and if you're new, welcome. Please make sure that you remember to click on that like button. That's how the video gets circulated. And subscribe if you enjoy it. All right, so for Cancer. Ooh. Cancer. Your person. Ooh. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Right, you're starting off the month in your head, okay? Somebody's feeling heartbroken, somebody's ego is feeling stabbed in the back, okay? But it's very much like an old storyline, I feel like, running in your head. By the middle of the month, you may be mellowing out some of that you're feeling. And by the end of the month, okay, we've got the Queen of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. So a brand new start in love. Okay, on the other side here, okay, you have someone that is holding back, okay, their cup. Four of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. Middle of the month, all right. There is the, energy here of forbidden fruit, shadows. But by the end of the month, something's going on here where this person's like feeling like they're tied and bound and unable to emotionally connect in the way that they would like to. So let's take a look deeper. Okay, yeah. This betrayal energy feels like it is in the Two of Cups, okay? And it could be making you feel like you want to make a new leap of faith. Could be you moving forward, or it could be, that this person, okay, has kind of broken a bond. But it also could just be like working through misunderstandings for someone here. Like trying to work through misunderstandings with someone that you've been connected with and involved with for a very long time to make things, move into a new direction. And they could be restricting that, okay, with the Hangman. So you've got someone restricting, and yet they're watching. Crossing energy. But this person is tired, weary, okay? Trying to move into a calmer energy at the beginning of the month. Okay, as you move into the middle of the month, right, you're getting out of the cycle of the mindset of battling yourself, right? Nine of Wands in reverse. So you are removing some of this guard that you've got, but it could be because your emotions are kind of forcing you to open up all of a sudden. Yeah, working on this, working towards something. getting serious about this. Okay, and this person, the shadow work that they're doing here, the forbidden fruit thing, it's a, you know, you've been working at this in separate directions. Okay, there's the crossing energy of the Hierophant. Like I said, I feel like for some of you, this is a commitment. Okay, but this person, like, they want to fight for this, or they are waiting for you to come in and fight for it. I'm going to get a little more clarification here in a minute. Okay, end of the month. Queen of Cups, new beginning, right? Seven of Swords. You're kind of done with fighting and secrets and, you know, not being on the same page. All right? The Hermit. You just want to move forward. You're, you know, not pulled back anymore. And there's the King of Swords. Okay, you know what you want. You're clear about it. You're moving forward. This person, okay, yeah, they are 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords. They are still really in their head about whatever it is that they are holding on to here. Okay, 2 of Pentacles in reverse. Not aligned at all. And there's the 10 of Swords. Okay, so at least they're progressing. You know, that very end of the month, 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords, 10 of Swords. Okay, they're progressing, and that's better than nothing, okay? Because once they get to that 10 of Swords, then there's nowhere else to go. They just have to process it to move forward. So let's go ahead and pull in some emotions. Okay. Yeah, you're frustrated, okay, disappointed, lovesick as you're kind of going into this month. But you, by the end of the month, you are wanting to offer romance and affection and connect with someone, okay? This person, all right, they're kind of stunned and surprised, I feel like, that, you know, all of a sudden there's this sort of fight, I feel like, for this connection. Yeah, and they're happy, but their happiness is overwhelmed by their overthinking. So let's dig a little bit deeper and figure out what's going on here. Okay, yes, you are definitely still connected to this person, and like this person is really struggling to get back in alignment with you. Okay, crossed by the moon, all right, could be very underwater emotionally, not knowing how to ask for help, but 10 of Pentacles. So this is like a family unit. This is something that's stable, okay? Something that offers blessings to this person. Okay? They do see you as the 2 of Cups, even though you tend to be in, okay, not working together in separate areas. And they do want you to come forward and offer them this second chance. They feel alone, isolated, okay, working towards things all by themselves. But I feel like it's a choice. Okay, there, again, I feel like the way that this starts and then this coming in with the Tower, something surprising, all right, I feel like is going to come out. Yeah, and it may be something needed to kind of trigger the motion of something forward. And yeah, crossed by the Six of Shields, where you might realize, okay, that perhaps there is more effort that is needed to go into this, and that may be triggering some of these emotions that you're dealing with. Okay, this person does feel guarded. They feel wounded. But it feels like it's because they're waiting for you to bring that love offer forward to them. Yeah, again, they really want this to calm down. They really want things to move in the right direction. But they don't want to put anything into it. They want you to do it. Okay, and that may be what you do at the end of the month. You may just drag yourself up the hill to this person. Okay, be like, listen, I love you. I want this to be strong. I want to be strong for you. And, you know, tell them, I'm ready to commit to this. I have the clarity of this. I'm here for this. Okay, and this person, again, Ten of Swords, okay? They are really overcoming some pain. They need the stability, okay? Because, like, they are looking to you for this stability. They may feel inadequate. They may have choices. Okay, and they don't know what to do. Okay, Three of Cups with the Queen of Pentacles, but they kind of feel like they don't have a lot to offer in this. And that could be what's holding them back. So let's go ahead and pull some romance angels, okay? Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate, okay? And be open, all right? This person is very different, okay? You can't have the kind of expectations that you've been putting on this. You may be wanting to romance, right? Romantic came out. You may be wanting to romance this person, and they may not be ready for that kind of connection. So this person, okay, yeah, getting to know each other. Like, this person, even if you've been with them forever, they're changing. They need to learn who they are. They need to, like, go through this pain, reveal themselves to you, I feel like. Okay. Let your friends help you, and children. Like, this person, again, could be underwater, could need some support. What's really funny is at the bottom here, I had the honeymoon with the let your friends help you, okay? You want to romance them, but again, let your friends help you, because somehow letting others come into the connection, I feel like, is going to bring it up. So let's pull some cards from the universe. Okay, do not get impulsive, all right, because you may scare this person off. They are going through and releasing old beliefs, old paradigms, old stories. Yeah, making a choice, releasing something. Yeah. It's been a long, weary road. You've been kind of alone in this, but I feel like this is this person coming back around. okay? Because we have here at the end the King and Queen of Pentacles. And you've got the Queen of Cups, and right here is the King of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay, you just have to kind of let this work its way through. So let's pull some Oracle, okay? Yeah, you're taking steps. The intention really is, okay, that Four of Wands, taking steps to restore the home, the unit, the community. Yeah, because it's been fragmented. And again, you get friends, okay? Again, I feel like there's a great need to allow support from outside of just the inner unit. Life purpose, manifest your dreams. Okay, maybe you are starting to follow that path of your life's purpose. Right now, Gemini is in Mars, and Gemini rules the hands. And so I do palmistry, so maybe you're getting a palm reading, or maybe it is just, you know, the palmistry that I do is about soul purpose. It's not about who your next lover is going to be or anything like that. But because of the hands, I do feel like it is about getting very in tune with this life purpose of yours and moving forward. So I'm going to move into the extended. Okay, I'm going to leave a sneak peek, but that will be available at Patreon or Vimeo. Links are down below. Patreon is my community. It's the best bang for your buck because you will also get access to the Monday through Friday current energy reads. All right. You also can find the link below for personal readings. You can drop me a letter in the mail if you'd like. There's an address down below. You can find me on IG, on Facebook, on TikTok. It's all at Mindset Unicorn. Okay. And I hope to connect with you. So make sure, again, click that like, subscribe, comment, share. Much love, guys. Enjoy your sneak peek, and I hope to see you next time. All right, bye. Okay, Cancer. So let's go ahead and start by getting a couple of cards for the collective. All right. I do not know what that dog is doing. Oliver. All right. That one really wanted to come out. Okay, and pull some intention for this week. Okay, the 28th through the 6th. Although time is fluid, so if it comes to you at a later date and it resonates, that is when it was meant for you. Okay. All right, so you're standing still. Your heart is really wide open, right? Making a wish, manifesting. But Spirit is saying, right, are you wishing from your heart? Are you saying that you want one thing, but you really want another? Okay, so keep that in mind. Intention for the reading here is that you are, again, remember, heart open and receptive, but you're also the one holding yourself back, okay? Suppressing yourself from going after this. And so this could be whatever has you coming in here with the 5 of Swords as your starting energy in April. So let's see what the lesson is that you are learning.